Mini lantern tutorial. Twist 2 single bubbles to form a double ear twist. Pinch the knot and thread it through the center loop. Wrapped double ear tie. While twisting a single bubble 3 inches wide, by twisting 2 single bubbles to form a barrier knot. Release the excess gas. Tie a secure knot. Trim off the excess balloon material. A red balloon is secured onto a double ear tie. Twist a single bubble 4 fingers wide. Twist another identical single bubble. In total, you need to make 6. Deflate and trim off the excess neck of the balloon. Tie a secure knot. Make a small adjustment. Trim off both ends of the long balloon. Simply cut in the middle. Wrap and secure the balloon neck around the duck tie. Secure with a rubber band. Cut off a section of the balloon and inflate it slightly first. Tie a tight knot. Wrap and secure around the double ear tie. The balloon lantern is now complete.